Swiss chard looks like an ordinary leafy green, but this vegetable is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can transform your health. Today we're breaking down its real benefits, its nutrition facts, and the side effects nobody talks about. Nutritional profile. Swiss chard is extremely low in calories yet packed with nutrients. A single cooked cup delivers massive amounts of vitamin K, vitamin A, and vitamin C, along with magnesium, potassium, iron, and manganese. It also contains a healthy dose of fiber, which supports digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Because it's so nutrient-dense, Swiss chard is often called a superfood, offering more nutritional value per calorie than many other vegetables. Heart health benefits. Swiss chard contains potassium and magnesium, two minerals that help regulate blood pressure and support healthy blood vessel function. It's also rich in fiber, which can lower LDL cholesterol levels over time. The presence of nitrates in leafy greens like chard may improve blood flow and reduce strain on the heart, making it a smart addition to any heart-healthy diet. Blood sugar control. This vegetable contains a compound called syringic acid, which has been studied for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Combined with its high fiber content, Swiss chard slows down sugar absorption in the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes. This makes it a great option for people managing diabetes or trying to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Bone health support. Vitamin K plays a huge role in bone strength, and Swiss chard is one of the richest natural sources of it. Just 1 cup can provide several times the daily recommended intake. Alongside calcium and magnesium, this combination helps maintain bone density and may reduce the risk of fractures as you age. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Swiss chard is loaded with antioxidants like beta-carotene, vitamin C, and various flavonoids. These compounds help fight oxidative stress, protect your cells from damage, and reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Regularly eating antioxidant-rich vegetables like chard has been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases, including certain cancers. Possible side effects. Despite its benefits, Swiss chard isn't for everyone. It's high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation in sensitive individuals. It also contains vitamin K, which can interfere with blood-thinning medications like warfarin, so people on such medications should monitor their intake. Eating excessive amounts may also cause mild digestive discomfort due to its high fiber content. So, should you add Swiss chard to your plate? For most people, yes, it's affordable, versatile, and one of the most nutrient-packed greens around. Just be mindful if you have kidney issues or take blood thinners. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more health breakdowns, and comment your next topic idea.